Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to download and install Fortnite on your Windows PC. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred browser and search for Epic Games. Click on the first link in the search results to go to the official Epic Games website. Once you're on the website, click the blue Download button at the top right corner of the page. Save the file to a convenient location on your PC. After the download is complete, locate the installer file named epicinstaller.msi and double-click it. Next, select your installation location. I'll leave it as the default, then click Install. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, the Epic Games Launcher should open automatically. If not, find the Epic Games Launcher icon on your desktop or in the Start menu and open it. At the welcome screen, log in with your account credentials, or create a new Epic Games account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, the launcher will open. Click on your profile icon at the top right, then select Settings. I prefer to disable Run when my computer starts, since I don't use the Epic Games Launcher often and don't want it running in the background. Scroll down to find additional settings. Enable Allow installs while editors are running. Enable Cloud Saves. Enable Throttle downloads. I also like to limit my download bandwidth for the Epic Games Launcher to avoid network slowdowns for other apps. I set my download speed to 30,000 kilobits per second. Once you're done adjusting your Epic Games settings, go to your game library. You'll see Fortnite in the list of available games. Click on it, then select Install. Choose the folder where you want to install Fortnite. I'll leave it as the default, then check the boxes for auto update and create shortcut. Finally, click Install. The installation will take some time as Fortnite is a large game, so be prepared to wait a bit. Once the installation is complete, go to the Library section of the Epic Games Launcher. Click on Fortnite to launch the game. Alternatively, you can also launch Fortnite directly from the shortcut on your desktop. Fortnite should start up without any issues, and you'll be ready to play and customize your characters. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.